Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a floating live search button to your Blogger website. So as you can see, this is my Blogger website and there is a floating search button, and if I click on it, it will open the search box. Now I can search for any term. Let's suppose I want to search for marketing, and it will instantly display all the articles related to marketing. Let me change it to digital. Now it will display all the articles related to digital marketing. Let me change it to social, and it will display all the social media related articles in your search box. So it is very easy for users to find articles on your website using the live search feature. So let's check how you can implement it in your Blogger website. So for this, you need to go to dashboard, go to theme, and take a backup of your theme first, and after that click on edit HTML. Now you need to go to the end of your article and find the closing body tag, and you need to paste the code that I will provide in the description. So here you can make some changes. First, you can change the maximum result. So you can change it to 6, 8. So it will display maximum 8 results at a time. And you can set the minimum character. So you can set minimum 2 to 3 characters before it will start displaying the live search result. And here you can set a search delay. So once you stop writing the term, it will then search for the term in database. So this is how it works, and you can change the search button, and you can change the position, color, and everything. So as you can see, you can set the position from right side to left side like this, and you can change the width and height of the button. So by default we have 54 pixel. We can change it to something like 84 pixel like this. Now you can change the background color as well. Let me change that to blue and let hit save. And as you can see, the button size is increased, and if you click on here, it will open the search box. Now you can increase the icon size as well. So for this, you need to increase the width of the icon. Let's increase that to 64. Let's refresh it, and as you can see, the icon size is now increased. So here it will only display the title. So if you search for any term, then it will display the post title only. But if you want to display the labels, if you want to display the XOP or images, then I have already shared those versions as well. So you can download those versions from our website. So if you want to display the title, label, and XOP, then you can download it. And here you need to copy the code and go to your theme code, and let's replace the existing code here, and I will paste the new code. Let's hit save. Now if I search for any term, then it will start displaying the title along with the XOP and the labels as well. So this is how you can add a live search feature. You can also display images as well using this 4th version. So if you still have doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to customize the search button further, then make sure to check out our blog post where you will learn how to customize it further. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.